Hey guys, welcome to Protocoder's Point. So this is the third part of our Flutter tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, we will just print a hello world text in our app. So let's begin. This is the default code. Okay, so I will just remove all the code from this main.dart file. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, you need to import material.dart so that we can make use of different widgets such as text, center widget and everything. Okay, so as you know, every program starts with main. So in Flutter Dart, it is also same. So this is the main code that will run whenever the app launches. So in this code, we need to call app run, and over here uh, we will make use of material app widget to display a text on the screen. Okay, so material app has been created. Okay, so if you want to show a text on this screen, you just need to do is in home, you can make use of text widget to show this text. Okay, so our app has been created with hello world. So that's all. So I will just restart the app now. So as you can see, the hello world got printed on our app. So if you want to bring this text at the center of the screen, you just need to do is you need to wrap this text with a center widget. Okay, then just Control S. So as you can see, the text came in the center of our screen. So that's all for this video tutorial. In our fourth part of this Flutter tutorial, we will talk about uh, our Flutter widget, that is stateful widget and stateless widget, what it is and how can we use and integrate it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please do subscribe Protocoder's Point.